It's the end for Solana. Solana at 9. Oh, obviously, no, this isn't the end. In this particular video, I'm going to meticulously explain it all to you. You see, fundamentally, I purchased Solana at $30. That was me, and by no means was that the absolute end of its potential. And then, my friend, it reached $300. That's a 10x return. Imagine that. And now it's descending. It has indeed lost a significant 62% over the course of the past few weeks. That, my friends, is truly wild volatility. We've lost 62%. So is this the end? The answer, quite definitively, is no. It's a blockchain, you see. It's a remarkably good blockchain. The transaction costs are astonishingly low. Everyone, virtually every single meme coin is utilizing the Solana network. Is it over for Solana? The answer remains a resounding no. Now, if you'd like, together within this very video, we are going to meticulously identify precisely when it becomes the optimal moment to re-enter or to purchase more Solana. That, in my estimation, is the single most important piece of knowledge to acquire. It is absolutely going to rebound. You weren't seeing the dips before. You see this pattern when we are buying Solana when we arrive, near the absolute bottom. Why is that? Well, you'll notice we form these long wicks when we're approaching the top. And then we arrive at the peak. You see, $300? That's a psychological number. I often speak about these psychological numbers. They are rather important. But now, look closely. We're approaching the significant $100 mark. That's another important figure. Observe the long wicks. Whenever you witness long wicks forming, that's a very clear signal. And another crucial signal, the crypto cumulative indicator. When we are positioned at the top, we short the upper range of the indicator, anticipating a move downwards. When we're positioned at the bottom, we meticulously look for opportunities to go higher. Do you comprehend? You understand that we are essentially buying the dip. So is it time to take the trade right now? No, but we are going to analyze it together. If you want to understand when it's precisely the right time to execute the trade,
If you wish to truly comprehend this, you simply need to descend in timeframe analysis and meticulously identify precisely when the trend reverses. If you desire, you can certainly capitalize on this initial impulse. When the trend reverses, you will clearly observe it, okay? When we see a reversal, pay attention. A W formation, the second leg. Are you able to discern it? We will go through it. A W formation, the second leg. Understood? Another example illustrating this. A W formation, the second leg. It's true, a consistent pattern. So you must identify this critical juncture. It will manifest identically here. A W formation, the second leg. So is it the opportune time now? The answer is a definitive no. You must conduct your own analysis. In the most recent significant downturn, you'll see it involved capturing these substantial wicks. A powerful vector? No, we've already bypassed that opportunity. I can certainly look for the subsequent significant level. You will observe it. On the weekly chart, it is admittedly more challenging to perceive clearly. However, if you descend to a lower time frame, you will absolutely see it with greater clarity. Okay? So what I am demonstrating to you here is the weekly perspective. But if you transition to the daily time frame, you will witness it. You will observe distinct double bottom structures accompanied by powerful vectors that decisively break previous highs. Okay? This is precisely the exact scenario I've just illustrated for you here. Double bottom structures that achieve new highs. That, my friends, is a powerful indicator of a double bottom reversal pattern. However, observe here. There is a conspicuous absence of a green vector candle. This indicates a potential false breakout. The double bottom formation observed here, followed by a green vector candle, leads to upward momentum. Double bottom, green vector candle. It is invariably the second leg that confirms the upward movement. You come here, you break previous highs, but there just isn't sufficient momentum. Consequently, we often see a retracement. So if you intend to trade, if your objective is